All right, this is going to be a super quick tutorial about locking cells in Google Sheets. So, if you have ever shared a Google Sheet with someone and they accidentally deleted something that you worked so hard on, or something that's important, it is the absolute worst. So, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to lock cells so only you or specific people you choose can edit them. So first, you're going to select the cell or range you want to lock. So in my example, I have formulas in these three cells, and I don't want anyone to be able to touch or manipulate the formulas that I have in the cell once I share the sheet. So I'm going to highlight my cells, and we will go up to data, and then you will drop down to protect sheet right here, protect sheets and ranges. And then from here, I already have, so it's saying that it's PBC, which is my sheet that I have selected. It's the range B27 to G27. That's what I don't want anyone to be able to touch. And then we're going to click Set Permissions. So we'll click Set Permissions and restrict who can edit this. So I want to be the only person to edit. So I'm going to uncheck everyone else that I've allowed to edit this and hit done. And now, if anyone goes in to try to change that, they can't accidentally mess anything up. Super simple, easy peasy. I hope that helps. Now, if you want to lock your entire sheet, so maybe you want to share it with several people and you've got formulas all over the place, or you don't want them to change the colors or change the size of your columns. I'm going to show you how to lock the entire sheet so that you can't let anyone else access that. So I've got the entire sheet selected. And I did that by clicking this little box here between A and 24. That'll highlight your entire sheet. And we are going to go back to data, protect sheets and ranges, and we'll click on sheet instead. This again, because I have multiples on my sheet, I use this for a scorecard. It's showing you that we have PVC selected. If you wanted to allow them to maybe change the name, you can exclude certain sales. And so maybe we want them to be able to change just the name only. We can make A27 editable. Set permissions. Again, I only want it to be me. Done. And we are all set. You can see we've got PBC, except A27. If they wanted to go in and change that, they absolutely could. That's it. No more spreadsheet disasters. If this saved you time, please hit like and let me know what you'd like to see on the next tutorial.